Scorpio, October is calling for deep, deep transformation and emotional clarity. I am seeing breakthroughs in love, hidden truths surfacing, and powerful career opportunities that align with your soul's purpose. Now, how beautiful that the opportunities are aligning with your purpose. Amazing. So, stay with me till the end because I'll share a ritual that helps you release old patterns and step fully into your personal power. This month, intensity is meeting wisdom, okay? And it's time to embrace your inner depth. So, let's get started with the reading. Scorpio, October is a month of letting go and rebirth also because we have the death card. The death card doesn't mean death, okay? It means to let go and rebirth. That every ending is a new beginning, okay? So, yes, things are ending, okay? But they are making a space for something beautiful, something more. And we also have the King of Cups. So, be mindful, Scorpio. You have to act with emotional intelligence, compassion, and calm presence. Don't be aggressive. Don't be angry, okay? And Five of Pentacles, we have in reverse. I can see that, yes, a sign of relief I'm seeing here. Relief in financial, emotional, relational struggles that you have been going on from a long time. Okay? So, this is a month of inner strength and conscious transformation. You may feel intense energy, but it's guiding you towards the freedom, the clarity, and the alignment that you have been seeking from years, Scorpio. Let's talk about love and relationship. So, love is deep and transformative here. Couples may experience breakthroughs after confronting the hidden issues. But the open communication is the key here. Singles may attract a significant emotional connections that feels intense. But this relationship is going to be stable one singles, okay? Now, what are the little actions that you should do for love and relationships this month? Reflect on the past relationship patterns and identify what you are ready to release. Communicate honestly and set healthy boundaries. That's very, very important, Scorpio. Pay attention to the signs and symbols which are repeating, like repeated numbers or unexpected encounters may guide you. Okay. For example, some of you may see, the name of your ex popping up somewhere in your conversation among your mutual friends on a hoarding anywhere. Okay. So, those are the signals for you. Let's talk about the career and ambition, Scorpios. I'm seeing a transformative energy here. I'm seeing that projects are ending. Some of you are leaving your current job or have put the resignation, deciding in the middle of decision you are that you are about to leave the organization now. I am seeing ending of projects, positions, or habits that no longer serve you. Okay. I am seeing that you are a leader with high EQ, that is the emotional intelligence. Okay. And you know how to remain calm under pressure. And people know you for that, and people respect you for that. Okay. And that's why you have this opportunity. But I don't know. For some of you, you are leaving this opportunity, the job, or you have started looking out for another job, something or the other. Okay. Or some of you are relocating also to the another city, state, country. And what actions you should take for your career this month? So let go of the task or the commitments that drains you. Okay. Lead with empathy and diplomacy in challenging situations. That's an advice from the cards. And seek clarity before making career decisions. Don't rush endings. Okay. I'm saying that some of you might be asked from your own company that now it's the time you should move on. Okay. We can no longer keep you in the organization due to XYZ reason. So, this is a general reading. So, take what resonates and leave the rest. But I'm strongly saying that some of you are asked by your employers to leave the company also. Okay. Some of you are leaving by yourself. There are two types of categories I'm seeing here. But yes, something is changing in your career and some kind of transformation is there. Let's talk about money and finances. So, I'm seeing a stability here in your money and finances sector. And I'm seeing that the people who have already taken money from you and they were not giving you back. Now I'm seeing that yes, from this particular month, you will either have a conversation with them or they will refund you the money what they have taken from you. Okay, and yes, it is going, you are going to recover that money after a long time, lot of difficulties. And I'm seeing some kind of reimbursement. I'm seeing some kind of unexpected support that is arriving for you. A new opportunities in job businesses also coming here. So, what are the little actions that you should do for money and finances this month? Reassess your budget and focus on essentials first. Consider long term investments, savings plan. Okay. And you have made some past financial mistakes. Okay. Be mindful of those and don't make those mistakes again just because somebody else is saying. Okay. Let's talk about health and well being. So, I can see emotional and energetic health here in the month of October. So, you need to do some grounding work here. Okay. You need to release your tensions and all in order to keep yourself healthy here. So, you can meditate, you can do the breath work for emotional tension in order to release the emotional tension. Journaling will also help you out, and whatever gentle exercise you can do, it can be swimming, yoga, walking, anything, you should do that. Okay. Now, from the spiritual angle, if I say, I can see that you are juggling between the release, whether to release the fear or to attachment. So, you're juggling between the two things, whether I should release the fear, whether I should release the attachment. Okay. So, you should ask one question to yourself here, that what no longer serves my growth. Okay. Visualize letting go of old emotional or mental baggage that you have been carrying from years, I'm seeing. Okay. Because now is the time that you should have a space for renewal, something new in your life. Okay. So it is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Now let's come to the ritual which I was talking about. And I named it as a Phoenix release ritual. Yes. So light a black or a deep red candle. Now it can be a black candle, it can be a red candle. Okay. Write one fear or attachment on paper and safely burn it while visualizing it transforming into light. Spend 2 to 3 minutes focusing on empowerment and clarity. And let me know if it helps. Okay. Now, what are the signs that you should watch for this particular month? You may come across some numbers like 999, 888, 777. I can see repeated numbers. Now, it can be any number for you. Okay. And yes, you may feel an urge to buy something which is a blue in color, which is red in color. Okay. This is what I'm seeing. And some of you might feel an urge to start something uh, in the field of spirituality. So, that is another sign for some of you. So, the lucky color for you is deep red and navy blue. Lucky day is the Tuesday. The gemstone is garnet. Angel number is 999 or any other number. I'm telling you, there is no specific number for this sign. Any number, any repeated number. It can be 222, 777, 888, 999, 1111. Okay. But just be mindful of the thought that you were having while you saw that particular number. Affirmation for you is I release what no longer serves me. This is so powerful for you. Okay. So, yes, Scorpio, that was your reading, and I can see that October is bringing the transformation, emotional clarity, and recovery. Now, it can be recovery of health, recovery of money, recovery of anything in your life. Okay, so watch for the signs, watch for the repeated numbers, watch for the odds to wear or to buy the red dress or the blue dress. Okay, and step in your power now. This is the time, Scorpios. And let me know what resonated most in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.